In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. If the text in Outlook looks too small to read comfortably, or if it appears larger than you'd like, adjusting the zoom level can make your inbox much easier to work with. This is a quick and simple keyboard shortcut that helps you change the view in just a second. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and go to your email inbox. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you can see your emails. Once you're there, click anywhere on the page so Outlook is active and ready to receive keyboard input. This is important because the shortcut will only work if Outlook is the selected window. If you want to zoom in and make things appear larger, use the keyboard shortcut for your device. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and the plus key together. This will increase the zoom level, which can help if the text or layout feels too small on your screen. You can repeat that shortcut if you want to continue zooming in further. This is especially helpful when you're reading emails for long periods of time or presenting something on screen and want everything to be more visible. If you need to zoom out instead, the process is just as easy. On Windows, press Ctrl and the minus key together. On a Mac, press Command and the minus key at the same time. This reduces the zoom level so more content can fit on the screen and the display appears smaller. You can use the zoom out shortcut more than once as well, depending on how much you want to reduce the size. It's a useful option if you want to see more of your inbox at a glance or if the current view feels too enlarged. When using these shortcuts, it's a good idea to make small adjustments until the screen feels comfortable for you. The best zoom level depends on your monitor size, screen resolution, and personal preference, so don't be afraid to test both options until you find the view that works best. That's all there is to it. Go to your Outlook inbox, click on the page, then use Ctrl++ or Command++ to zoom in and Ctrl+- or Command+- to zoom out. Once you get used to these shortcuts, adjusting your Outlook view becomes fast, easy, and much more convenient.